What's good, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Pimmie's Dilemma by Pimmie, PARTYNEXTDOOR, and Drake. I'm going to give you the chord progression. I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a plucking pattern that you can use. There's going to be timestamps in the pinned comment down below. You can refer to that if you get lost. But first, here's a little preview of what the song is going to sound like. So as you can see, I have a capo here on the 4th fret, and every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. You need to know 3 chords for the song, and those 3 chords are E minor 7, B minor 7, and C major 7. And now here's a breakdown of how to play each chord. So first chord is an E minor 7. We're simply going to put our finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Second chord is a B minor 7. We're going to bar the 2nd fret, and we're putting our finger on the 3rd fret of the B string and the 4th fret of the D string. It's going to sound like this. Last chord is a C major 7. We're going to play that one on the 3rd fret. So we're going to bar the 3rd fret, and we're going to put our finger on the 4th fret of the G string and the 5th fret of the D and the B string, and it's going to sound like this. So that's exactly how the chord progression is going to go, and if we think about it in 4 counts, it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in terms of the plucking pattern, this is what I'm doing. So in the song, there's a crazy guitar riff. I'm not necessarily teaching that part. I'm just kind of teaching you the rhythm. But what I'm doing here to kind of match that vibe is that at the E minor 7, I'm going to pluck the low E, D, G, and B string at the same time. Then right after that, individually, I'm going to pluck the B, G, and D string twice. Then I'm going to pluck the high E, B, and G string twice. So all together. And then for the B minor 7, I'm going to pluck the 4 middle strings all at once. So that's the A, D, G, and B string. And then I'm going to pluck individually the B, G, and D string once. Then for the C major 7, I'm plucking the 4 middle strings again. So the A, D, G, and B string at the same time. Then right after that, individually, I'm going to pluck the B, G, and D string twice. Alright, so when you put it all together, it's going to go like this, and I'll do it slowly for you guys. Alright, that one was a little bit sloppy, but you get the picture. So that's how you play the song. Alright y'all, as always, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I hope that this video helped you out. I know I didn't teach the exact riff that you hear in the song. I just want to more so teach the chords to the rhythm of the song. There are already a few tutorials out there that'll teach you the riff or their version of it. So, feel free to go and check those out. Also, while I have your attention, please go ahead and follow my social media pages. I have Instagram and I have TikTok. Those are going to be linked in the description as well as in the pinned comment down below. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. And right about now, there is a tutorial popping up on your screen. Go ahead and check that one out as well. And I will see you guys on the next video.